What's good, YouTube? It's your boy. Scared everybody. Oh man, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Corey. That's Ron. That's Naraya. That's Serenity. And that's Joy back there. And we back with another video, another banger, another video, banger video, man.
What? Ain't nobody got time for that.
So y'all, we on our way to North Carolina. How you pronounce that city?
Raleigh.
We on our way to Raleigh, North Carolina, man. We are going to see a pastor by the name of G. Craig Lewis, and he's doing this Truth Behind Hip Hop, where he's talking about the music industry and the subliminal messages behind it and what's going on behind closed doors, man. If you are a Christian, I would advise you to take a listen to this guy, man, because he be spitting facts, he be telling the truth, and it is real, y'all. So we're going down here to chill, and also, y'all, we got a family that's coming to chill with us, man. The Fowler family, man. My boy Jay Baptist and his wife Ebony, man. We going down here to chill. We got an Airbnb. Both of the families gonna chill. I find it out very ironic that they got 3 girls and we got 3 girls. How ironic is that?
Don't they got a boy?
Nope. They got girls just like us. So, man, we just gonna live it up. We're gonna have fun, man. We're gonna take y'all on this journey, man. I'm just gonna turn the camera on and just randomly record, but we're literally doing nothing. Nothing but just straight highway. So y'all, that's all we doing, man, is just chilling, y'all, man. So y'all, I'm gonna turn the camera on back when we make a pit stop. Right now it's just number road. We're just chilling. So guys, until I turn the camera back on, y'all enjoy the journey. What's up, YouTube? So we back, man. We're making another pit stop. I just recorded like almost 3-minute video and didn't even have the sound on it. How dumb is that?
Well, duh.
But yeah, man, we are almost 6 hours away from Raleigh, North Carolina. Wife put in 4, got 6 left, and I'm tired. I stayed up 2 hours last night editing videos and packing and stuff. I'm tired. God give me strength to finish this daggone trip out, man. Take me on in, man. So just keeping y'all posted. Hopefully we get there soon. Like I said before, I wish I could teleport there because I'm tired, man. I'm running off of 2 hours of sleep, man. Yeah, I'm tired. But you guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like it. Make sure you click that notification bell so you guys don't miss no videos, man. I got some content coming up. It's gonna be pretty dope, man. Got a bunch of videos getting ready to come out. So you guys make sure you tune in, man. Don't miss nothing, man. Turn the camera back on when we make another pit stop, or we either there, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Raleigh, North Carolina. We on our way, man.
Girls, Joy.
There you go. It's 1:38 down here. It's 1:38, guys. We just made it, man. Oh my gosh, I do not want to drive like this at night ever again, bro. We here though, man. We're gonna get in the house. All right, y'all. So we made it in the house, man. I do not feel like doing a tour of the house this morning. So when we wake up in the morning, I'll give you guys a house tour. It's really nice here, man. I really like this house. It's very bright, elegant. The colors set it off. It's really dope. But that's going to end day one of our trip here in Raleigh, North Carolina. I mess that word up every time. That's gonna do it for this day, man. This is the first day until we go to sleep and then wake back up around about 8 or 9 o'clock. Y'all tune in, man. We'll be right back, y'all. We back, y'all. So it's morning time. I just want to do a quick video of the house we staying in, man. It's very nice. I told y'all I was gonna give y'all a house tour, man. Hey, but before we do all that, make sure y'all subscribe, y'all hit the like button, y'all hit the notification bell if y'all want more videos, more bangers, man. So hey, I'm gonna give it to y'all, man. I'm on a roll every Monday, Friday videos, and sometimes post on Wednesdays, man. I'm going hard in the paint, So I'm trying to get these videos going, man. Get the YouTube channel up, get the views up. Y'all know what it is. When you first come in, boy, this house is nice, y'all. Excuse that mess over there. So as we come through the front door, it's just the little details, y'all. Got the Wi-Fi password up there. You come in. This is called the Oaks. This place is called the Oaks. Greetings from Renee. Feeling fine in 1990. I'm about to say feeling fine in something. I'm about to make it rhyme, but feeling fine, and I'm whatever. That didn't work. Got him! Good sunshine day. Picture of the city. It's just the little details, man. At the time, I believe those people were one of the owners. Good vibes. It's the details, y'all. That's the bedroom. We'll get to that. That's the master bedroom. It's just the little details, man, of this place. Man, it's really nice. Alright, before we do that, let me go to this bathroom so this girl can get in here. Alright, so after you come through the kitchen, I'm gonna come back to the living room, guys. After you come through the kitchen, you make a left. We're gonna go to the first bathroom so that Joy can get in the shower because we got company coming over. This is the first bathroom, y'all. Like I said, it's just the minor little details in here, bro. Change the ISO right quick. Look at your boy, man. Very nice. Very clean. Shower. Very nice touch. Got a little window to go to the backyard. The crazy thing is though, I've been outside, man, the backyard is like falling down in a ditch. Straight in the hole, man. It go whoop. Very nice, y'all. The laminate, I believe it's laminate floor. The rug. Y'all, this house is nice, man. And they gave us a good price for 10 people for 3 nights. It was $900. Alright, for our guests, for Jay Baptist and his wife, this is their room. This is gonna be their room, man. It's like I said, it's just the little details, man. It's a 3 bedroom, 2 bath with 6 beds. Just the little minor details, y'all. I'm getting everything because before I notice I be moving so fast, man, and not getting the little details. Oh my gosh. Say what's up to the vlog, Joy.
What's up, y'all? Oh, look at my hair.
Okay, pretty, all right. Start getting show. You look pretty though.
Thank you.
Just the little details, y'all. Again, all that over there. The beds. So back to what I was saying. I noticed I be moving so fast, y'all, and not really capturing stuff, man, and going slow. I just be, hey, look, guys, all right, hey, oh my gosh, look at that. Like, it be so fast, man. Well, just slow down, man. Let the viewers enjoy what they seeing. I love these colors, bro. Closet over here. When I saw that, I said, okay, let's try pushing that back in. It won't go in. All right, we're gonna leave that alone. Where the light at in here? I know there's a light. Oh, there it is. Just a regular normal closet. Nothing too special. Alright. Turn that light off.
Who wrote this?
This is I guess. This is the other married couple that's coming.
Oh, that looks like a number 8.
Oh look, I ain't even show y'all that. Well, good job, man.
Daddy,
Yes.
look.
Oh look. Number 4. Alright, let's go out.
I'm
We're
gonna show
gonna
you
close this
what,
room back
what
up.
I find it at.
Alright, let's go to the other bedroom that Serenity gonna stay in. I don't know how the girls gonna work this out, but probably the oldest ones will stay in the bedroom, and Naraya, they have 3 girls just like we do, and they're all around the same age. So older girls will probably sleep in here.
Come on, Daddy.
Youngest ones and the middle girls sleep in there. 2 couches in there.
Where's my
And there's 2 beds in there. Y'all, okay, y'all, we're gonna resume. So that's the hallway. That's the guest bedroom, another guest bedroom, and then we come down this hallway over here. Here's the laundry room / water heater. Hey, this is nice. Oh, they got stuff in there.
I think not in this way.
Watch out, right? That's a nice little touch. Wash and dryer. I like the way that look though. That's clean though. And of course you got your regular water heater. Alright. Now, this is the other bedroom. Yeah, turn it off. Alright, so when you come in this room, just little touches and stuff. I don't know, y'all, the camera don't shake. I'm trying to tighten it up. Alright. Good things take time. Alright. Just the cleanliness, bro. Wonderful things are ahead. Nothing too special, just a smaller bedroom.
And then she got a limp.
Yep. Here, turn on the light. Alright. Woo, lamp. Turn the lamp on. Alright, there's a second bed up under there.
Here's a fire in the room.
Okay, don't want to see that. So this is the other bedroom, guys. Nothing too special, but it's just the little details and stuff like that on the walls and stuff. Alright, come on. Alright, now we're going back into the living room / kitchen. We're gonna start back over here where we was, and then we're gonna go to the master bedroom. Just little touches, guys. It's, man, and it's clean. I can't express that so much. It's clean, bro. Yeah. Okay, good. I don't know why I'm doing it. I don't think y'all want to see that. Y'all don't care about that. And then, like, the sink is not over there. I've always wanted a sink and a countertop dead smack in the middle, man. I love it, bro. I love it, man. I've always wanted. I wanted that in our own home. I told Ron about the idea of possibly moving like our sink and stuff over like in the middle. Oh boy, that would probably cost a lot of money to do that. Nevertheless, And then you open up this closet, they have all type of like toiletries and cleaning products and stuff. I think that's dope. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. This is our first experience using the Airbnb app. We used the Airbnb app to rent this place out. So I'm just giving you guys our first experience of using this app. This was the first home that we actually rented off this on this app, man. And look, hey, we did pretty good. Boy, it's clean and it's nice. So Airbnb app is good so far. My sister Kiki got me hip to it, man. I was using booking.com, but she told me to use Airbnb, and I was skeptical about it. Cause when I was looking at houses, man, looked like bachelor pads and stuff like that. I'm like, man, we're a whole family out here. We're a family of 5 living in a bachelor pad, bro. And the pictures that when I was looking for this home, the pictures is what sold me, man. The colors stand out, the details and stuff, the pictures on the wall, the cleanliness. It sold us, man. So good on the Airbnb app. No, they're not sponsoring this video. I'm just giving my review and my opinion. That's what I'm a YouTuber. But there's the TV. They got games and stuff over there. Stuff like that. That's detail. That's details. Details. And details. Just little games and stuff they got for us. Hey, let's turn the brightness up a little bit. A little dark in here. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. This is the living room again. That is the living room, guys. So now, look. Oh, say what's up to the vlog. Say what's up to the vlog.
Paparazzi now,
Man, look. Say what's up to the vlog first, man.
Hi.
Alright, that's all I need. Now the master bedroom, guys. Y'all, this thing is huge. Let's turn the brightness down a little bit because it is bright in here. When you first come in, we got a desk over here. Is that Mr. Will's birthday video?
Yeah.
Just the details. That's the bathroom. We're gonna get to that. They got a nice dresser. Details. They even got a sitting area in this room. Y'all, hold on. Let me put my back up towards the bathroom. Look how big this room is. This thing is huge. I could slide all across the floor. It's huge in here. They got a nice little seating area. Again, details. Details. Colors. That's what makes it stand out, man. Messages on the wall. Be our guest. Come in and stay a while. All right, man. Look, together, our favorite place to be. Detail.
See how you read our favorite place to be.
Oh, well, I'm trying to read slow and, you know what I'm saying? Always not look at the camera.
Hold on,
White walls, clean. Look, the lights makes the room bright. Like, it's so dope, y'all. Then they got the TV.
What's this? What's it?
Alright, just get it wrong. My phone had to pause right quick. But y'all, the daggone the details in this house, they did a heck of a job. Now to the bathroom, guys. This bathroom is huge. Alright, you gotta watch out. When you come to the bathroom, I did not expect a his and her sink. I didn't expect it. She not in here. She in her room. Turn the brightness down a little bit too bright. Bright light, bright light. The gremlins. Bright light, bright light, bright light. And all the detail, bro. I brought my own towel. UK, Kentucky in the house. Blue rag. I brought my own rag and my own towel. You already know. Walk-in shower, toilet. Then the shower over here. And each bathroom, both of the bathrooms got like the little conditioner, shampoo, and wash. They supplied that just in case you didn't bring your own stuff. That's dope. Alright, so when I got to this bathroom, I'm like, I don't know what it is about this, but it looks gold and bronze. Man, I flipped out when I saw that, man. And then the towels for the bathroom. Man, I don't know what that did to me, man, but that was dope. The color for that, the bronze, the gold. Nice color touch. Look at this walk-in closet, y'all. That's our stuff. The walk-in closet is huge. I can go all the way over here. Man, like, you can sleep in here. The daggone closet. Your phone sucks. It's a huge walk-in closet, man. So guys, man, I'm gonna take y'all on this journey. That was the tour of the house. We're gonna do vlog for the rest of the day, man, with the other family guys, and y'all just stay tuned, man. We got some content coming, guys. Until then, I'm gonna catch y'all on the flip side. Well, YouTube, we just chilling, y'all. What's up, man? Say hello to the vlog. Say what's up. Say what's up. Uh-oh. Say what's up to the vlog. What's happening? What's happening? Bite my arm. What's wrong with you, man? Everybody just chilling, y'all. We playing the game of sorry.
Corey, what color did I say?
You green. Because everybody just is
Say what's up to the vlog, man. Oh my gosh.
Say hi.
That's my baby, see?
Oh my gosh.
You said, oh yeah, she's blue.
Everybody smiled except for one person. Playing the game of sorry.
Corey, you're red.
No, I'm blue.
No,
You can't-
she's blue.
Okay, I'll let her have blue. No,
Exactly. He thought I was about to try
you
to.
hate it. You doing too? Oh, she got the glasses on, boy. Look at her. She got the glasses on, boy.
Who's bestie?
What did you do?
I wanted the breadstick, but I don't know who it was.
It's Sacred because you're a bird.
Oh.
How many breadsticks is it?
No, it's hers.
Yeah.
You can work with her. She
How many
green.
more breadsticks left?
One. You
We
just
ate
go
it out.
Sacred.
Dang, really?
Yeah,
Them breadsticks is good.
they were.
Hey, y'all tell the vlog y'all name. Tell the vlog what's your name.
Well,
Noel. All right, what's your name?
Ileana.
Huh?
Ileana.
Huh?
I think they can hear.
Y'all welcome to
Now,
the vlog,
where's Sacred?
man.
Yeah, oh, right there.
Sacred. Say hi, Sacred. Say hi, Sacred. Say hi. I'm gonna need you to quit talking about my subscriber account.
Sacred.
You a hater. It is.
Yeah.
Look at my boy Jay Baptist, y'all.
What's up, y'all?
What's happening? We get ready to dip, man.
Go get your drinks
This
first.
is my number 1 hater right here. Always hating. Ain't got nothing positive to say. Say something positive for once. Okay, I don't need nothing you guys say. All right. All right, y'all, man. We get ready to leave the crib, y'all. It's been real, man. Say what's up to the vlog, man. Yeah, I know you hear
She
me.
said it was you.
Huh?
What is going? Who said they was stumping their feet?
Narayo
Oh,
stopped
Narayo
up.
is. Say what's up to the vlog. Everybody ready? Here's my boy's wife. Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up?
We just saw you already. We wanna see you. Say what's up to the vlog. YouTube, so guess what we doing, man? We going to hang out with Jay Baptist and Ebony, our brothers and sisters, down from Orangeburg, South Carolina. We was down here in Raleigh, North Carolina. So now we are getting ready to head to Orangeburg, South Carolina, man. we were supposed to stay here at this house in Raleigh, North Carolina until Sunday. We was gonna head out Sunday morning, but we decided to go down to Orangeburg, South Carolina. We got a fireworks show tonight on Saturday, which is gonna be dope, man. And then we're going to their Sunday church service. It's gonna be lit, man. It's gonna be dope. Oh, this is Noel. This is one of their children. Say what's up.
Hi, bunch of strangers.
They ain't strangers, they friends. But we get ready to drive off, y'all. When we get there, y'all see the fireworks show. It's gonna be tight. We got other family there. We've actually been down here before, to Orangeburg. It's gonna be dope, man. Y'all stay tuned, man.
Hello.
So what's good, y'all, man? We back, y'all, man. We back here in Orangeburg, South Carolina, man. Just chilling with fam, man. Told y'all that we got a little fireworks show going on, man. We just chilling and just hanging out, man. It's so good to be around these people, man. These people are full of love, man. We just kicking it, man. They setting up right now for this fireworks show right quick. I'm gonna give y'all a little tour what's going on.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many subscribers you got?
Hater. We got my boy right here. What's happening? What's happening? Say what's up to the vlog.
Hey, how many subscribers you
Already
got?
got you on camera, man.
Take that bad blog away.
Setting up right now for the fireworks, man. That's what's going down there right here, y'all. Hey, they got some big boys going on. It's going down, y'all. Man, they did some nice decorations to the yard, man, for the fireworks show, man. This is so nice, man. Check out the balloons. Decoration. And look who it is. So you hit my camera.
Surely did. I'll do it again.
Serenity over here. Just chilling. We got Boo right here just chilling. Yep. We got kids out here playing. Everybody just having fun. Uh-oh. Look, y'all.
What's up?
Austin Shane Wall.
Oh, you got the real camera and mic.
We vlogging right here. Everybody just chilling and hanging out. We all family around here. Everybody say hey, say hey.
All right
I
now.
love this guy right here,
Yes,
man.
sir.
This man right here, boy. I love his energy right here.
Outstanding.
That's my brother right there.
You better believe it.
We got other family. Everybody say hey if you don't mind. Hey. All right, we just chilling. Brother right here, David.
Okay, now it's fine.
His brother and his lady just pulled up, man. That's what's up, man. We all just chilling, hanging out,
It's so
man.
good to see you.
You didn't say hi to the vlog, young lady. I didn't get to get you. Say what's up.
Alright, so that's that. This goes with this.
You always carry my real.
This goes with this.
But this one right here, now.
How many followers you got?
I got 50. Well, I
don't
got
trust you.
56 on one channel, 48 on the other channel. Ha 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 ha.
I see people that just starting and already got 100-something followers.
Hey man, look, I'm older, so I get a pass.
I don't know.
older.
I ain't start one.
I get a pass, so I'm older.
I'm sorry. Hey, but you need to stop running and stand up for yourself. I'm sorry, I cannot do that.
Why you gotta stand up for yourself? Who you standing up to?
All I can do is
This in general.
Ain't no in general. Trent, leave that girl alone. She running from you.
fighting rules.
You know I'm
still.
just playing, right?
Dirty Duck, Daffy Duck.
Bro, you sound weird saying that.
Hey, it's all good though. Guess what?
My
I'm
face
a
doesn't
beast
need
out
on
here.
the camera.
Excuse me, y'all. I didn't get to get y'all in my vlog if y'all don't mind. Everybody say hey to the vlog. Hey,
How y'all doing?
This is our Orangeburg family right here.
No doubt.
This is Apostle's wife right here.
Hello, everybody. It's all about Jesus.
Yes, sir. Orangeburg. Thank y'all. Uh-oh, here she come, here she come, here she come. Woo, 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 woo. Where you going? Where you going, Sadie? Uh-oh.
I gonna go back with those s'mores.
Yeah.
Here, say hi, girl.
What's up?
Jay Baptist's wife. Say what's up. That's what's up.
Hey. Hey, I would say something next
Man,
to
no,
right
you
there.
won't. You always saying something crazy.
It was just a little fire.
Yeah.
Oh,
So, number one, not breathing. Number two,
Y'all
pushing me,
hey, chill
Jordan.
out, y'all.
you never left me alone.
Nah, you
Nah,
gotta
let
tell
me
him what
hold
you
the
doing. You
camera.
gotta tell him what you're doing.
Nah,
Yeah, man.
I'm holding the
Let
camera.
him know
Nah.
who he is. Here you go. Here you go.
No, bro.
No. Tell him who you are, what you get ready to do, man.
Hey, I'm getting ready to hold the camera. Get that camera out my face. Get that camera out my face, man.
Man. We getting you, dog. We getting you, man. Here, we're gonna let him do a little vlogging, y'all, man. Have at it, bro. There you go.
Yeah, how about we do that same thing to you?
Yeah, what's up? Hey, it's all good. Teeth and all. Yeah. Man, oh, man. I got them pearly whites out here, boy. Hey. Just tell everybody, hey.
Hello, everybody.
That's great woman of God right here. Praising. That's
Hallelujah.
She a praising. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Lord.
Here we go, y'all. Here we go.
all right.
Let's get started. Woo! Oh, here we go. Here we go. Let me step back. Yes, sir. Hey, 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 Everybody enjoying themselves out here. We all just having a good time. Snap, crackle, pop. Woo! Yes, sir. Whoa! Whoa! Hey, y'all bear with your boy, man. I'm trying to hold it together over here. The camera moving. Here we go. I got that real deal over here. It's that real deal, y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, they happy over there, y'all. It's a real show out here, ladies and gentlemen. Oh. That's nice. They're keeping it going. Like, whoa. Here we go. Whoa. Whoa. go, y'all. Yes, sir.
What's up, fam?
Just say anything. You just say the closest thing on your mind.
What's
The D.
What's going on? What's going
Y'all
on?
are going down.
What y'all going on?
All y'all are going down. You
We're gonna race. How's this for you? Ooh. Alright, how's that taste? Nice and good? Alright, hold your both hands. She didn't scared of fire. Slide back, slide back. You ready? We're gonna turn it. Alright, you gotta slide back.
Oh, blow it.
Okay.
It needs more melting.
Oh,
I need help too.
are you okay?
go ahead.
Alright.
All right, my buddy.
You welcome, baby. I don't think I messed with her, but I guess I'm gonna make it work. Alright. I'm gonna give you this look. Maybe I should.
You have to start in on it.
You can have two hands. Thank you. You're welcome.
Don't worry, it's not that hot.
It's a little bit hotter than
All the way to my first time, right?
I know. There you go.
Yes, sir.
Harmony, give me that stick.
Oh, they're in this bag right here.
It's coming, big guy.
Okay. Bring it over here. Put up my smile.
There you go, Eden.
We famous.
Close the video down.
Oh, look, man, this one. You gotta. Yeah, it's your boy Corey. We just out.
No, cut. Famous. He's not.
Hey, it's your boy Corey. We just out here just chilling. We just
Cut.
around. We just getting it.
The boy shut it down.
Hey, I'm the GOAT status, greatest of all time. I'm the greatest. I'm the greatest of all time.
Yes, sir.
All these haters. Let me show you. Let me show you what that letter. Oh my gosh, man.
Get off of me.
Let me show you what this letter look like. Stands for haters.
No.
You see that
No.
H? Stands for haters.
No.
Haters.
What's the L?
I'm just out here getting it. You know what I'm saying? We down here in Orangeburg.
Yeah.
Be comfy.
Just appreciate greatness right here. This greatness right here.
You know, Ebony always, she's ready for the camera all the time. She stay
Just
ready.
like Joy.
Yeah.
Always ready.
I be the one hiding.
We appreciate
Oh, praise God. Thank you. Glory to God.
We just really appreciate it.
Thank you
sir.
for coming.
This my man right here. This my dude. We call him the best pastor around here.
Yes, sir. Yes,
No
sir.
cap.
Orangeburg in the house.
Bless you. Thank you for coming.
Yes, sir.
Please come again.
What's good, YouTube? This your boy Corey Radcliffe, and we enjoyed ourselves in North Carolina and South Carolina, particularly Orangeburg, South Carolina. Man, we came down here with the fam, man. They really good family, man. Apostle Shane Wall and his wife. So what ended up happening was we came down Thursday, and we slept in Raleigh, North Carolina. Friday, when Jay Baptist and his wife came down, we went to go see G. Craig Lewis do the Truth Behind Hip Hop Rewind about subliminal messages and stuff was going on in the world now. We made the decision we was supposed to stay until Sunday at that Airbnb we rented, but me and Ron decided to make the decision, you know, we'll just take a L. We're gonna go down to Orangeburg, South Carolina and watch a fireworks show. We didn't know they had a fireworks show going on Saturday, so we was like, it would make sense to stay in Orangeburg, go to church with them, and then head out from Orangeburg, you know what I'm saying? So it was like, you know, it's a win-win situation, man. So we had fun, the fireworks show, you guys seen that earlier in the video. And then we had a good church service, man. What I appreciate when a preacher teaches and preaches about sin, because a lot of preachers don't want to preach about sin, man. It's all blessings and hallelujah, he's gonna do this and your last name is Ford, you're gonna get a Ford Explorer. Like, come on, bro, man.
It's all about what? Blessings what?
Blessings and receiving stuff.
It's all about what?
I don't know, what you trying to say?
That stupid song, Blessings on Blessings.
No, it's not stupid. That's Cole's song. She a hater. But I really appreciated Apostle Shane Wall teaching and preaching on sin today, because a lot of pastors don't want to preach on that because they're afraid they're gonna lose members. So you afraid of losing members? You're afraid of saving souls, bro? Which one? So he had a great word today, man. It was just fun, man. We just made the decision to come down to Orangeburg and hang out with them, man. But I want everybody to give their personal opinion on the trip, man. So what you think about the overall trip? Overall trip, boo?
I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed staying with my friends, just being around husband and wife, being around their kids. Just loved everything about it.
Cool. Noraya, what do you think about this trip?
Very good. And I like when we got to church. And then I like when it was so fun, but all of us went to children's church. And the most part was so fun. And North Carolina was so cold before we got there.
So I really liked it, and like church was fun, and then we saw the fireworks show. We had s'mores. Overall, it was fun. Like we had like this blue and like yellow thing was hitting people with it. It was so fun. But yeah, you see, okay. So my favorite part. Well, I really enjoyed the trip. At first, I didn't want to go to South Carolina, but I'm actually glad I did because I met a lot of new people. And yeah, like my favorite part was really meeting new people, and I liked going to their church, and I like how we instantly like felt like family, pretty much. She said this was under my butt, and I'm pretty. Yeah, that was my favorite part, was meeting new people, and we actually like had fun watching the fireworks and running around and playing. That was probably the most vitamin D that I've gotten in like 2 weeks. Well, probably longer than that, but I really enjoyed myself.
We are now leaving South Carolina, Orangeburg, and headed all the way back to good old Hockenville, Kentucky. We get ready to go back to the state where they have a lot of horses and everybody's country. As you can see my shirt, I do rep Kentucky, you feel me? We gonna do good in basketball this year. So all y'all haters talking about our basketball team, we gonna light y'all up, man, you know what I'm saying? That is gonna be it for the North Carolina, South Carolina trip, man. And until next time, y'all, everybody say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Joy.
I did. Bye.
Serenity.
Bye.
Mariah?
Make sure y'all eat hot Cheetos.
Mariah, say it again. Deuces. Boo.
Peace in the Middle East.
And for me, y'all, this is Corey Ratcliffe and Ron, Serenity, Jordan, Araya. We are signing out. And until the next video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and hit that notification bell so y'all don't miss videos. I told y'all, man, I'm on a rampage, man. I'm finna post every Monday and Friday morning. If not morning, it'll be like the afternoon. And maybe I'll do like a little Bible study on Wednesday or whatever. And Wednesdays I might do I'm gonna do a mini Bible study on Wednesdays possibly, and throw a little gospel rap song here and there, man. So you guys stay tuned. I got some lit content coming, y'all. So until the next time, guys, we will see y'all later. Tune in.
Serenity.
Peace out, y'all.
Can you make sure?
Hey, hey, sweet Jesus. Yeah, sweet Jesus. I thank you for opening my eyes. Sweet Jesus, I thank you for giving me life.